Hi all, welcome to mulesoft tutorial. Today I am going to demonstrate how to publish a service using HTTP. So let's open Anypoint Studio. So I'm going to create a sample Mule project where I will define one name Mule for sample HTTP service and then click on finish button. It will create a sample Mule project. We can see that skeleton project where I'm going to use three components. First, listener. Let's configure HTTP listener here where this is the default IP address I will use, localhost, and default port 8081. I'll define the path ping and I will restrict the users with the get operation only, and then I will use set payload where I will disable the function at this moment and just give one sample message here, like I will give I am up and running, and I can use one logger here to just notify us we received the use request. Let's start the service now. So Mule application is up and running now. Let's go and verify the service status. I will hit this. Localhost 8081 is the defined port and ping is the URL. So we are getting the response now. I am up and running, which we have defined into the set payload component. We can use this service with the postman as well. Let's see. Yeah, now we are not dealing with any user input, but we can deal with user input and we can define action accordingly. So let's go ahead and deal with this something query parameters. So let's use the function now. I can define here hello, and we can take name from query parameters. Attributes dot query parameters dot we can define name and we can concatenate with one sample message. That's it. We can go ahead and we can check in the XML hello, and this is the parameter. So once we have saved this, then this to redeploy. So application redeployed now. Let's go ahead and test the service. Here I can provide this parameter. Can hit this service now. Hello Abhi, welcome to mulesoft team. So based on this, we can define any query parameters, and based on that input, we can define the action in our sample service. So we have also logged the logger as well. So this is the sample application which I am going to upload into the sample GitHub location, and you can download from github.com abhiketi Mule 4 hyphen sample hyphen HTTP hyphen service project, and you can play around it. Thanks for joining us.